Please consider becoming a patron of the Ramen Raider. Patrons receive special benefits like bonus videos, voting on the Patron's Choice Top 10, and early Top 10 list access. Visit patreon.com/the Ramen Raider and become a patron today. Thank you. Alright, hey, this is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. Today I've got one that hails from China. This is from Baijia, Sichuan Baijia. This is their Yibin burning dry noodle. Sounds good to me. What I'm getting out of the instructions is 3 minutes of cook time. Then you add all this stuff in and do her up. There's a bunch of little hard chunks in this one. I'm not sure if they go in. I'll see if they boil along with it real quick, because I don't want to bust my teeth. What few I have left. Oh, this is peanuts. They won't go in. So we're going to boil these noodles for 3 minutes. I like the packaging. Nice, isn't it? Well, these were only 99 cents, which was a really good price, you know. But it says best before June 12, 2020. And this is the 8th, so I bought them yesterday. So that's kind of like, oh wait, okay, now I get it. You need to make them go away quickly. So let's throw these noodles in. Throw 3 minutes on, and I'll tell you about the absolute insanity I've had this weekend, and the rad stuff too. So let's see, the last episode that you saw will be getting edited actually today, and the reason for that is I went and I tried to do some editing and stuff. My computer was mad, folks. I had to I don't know exactly what the heck happened, but I ended up factory restoring my computer. I haven't done that since I've never done that. Got the computer like almost 2 years ago now, so, nose is killing me. And then on Saturday, I went out, I walked a ton, and then came back. And a little bit later, me and my lady boiling over. Me and Kit went out walking, and they had a special walk thing. You take the Burt Gilman Trail, and they had signs up with all the names of the people that have died via police violence. And yeah, it was pretty cool. A lot of chalk artwork on the trail, and we went all the way to her work and all the way back, and that was a full 7 mile walk, which was a lot. That was the longest walk me and my wife have ever taken together, so that was really cool. A little bit later I went down to the store to grab a beer, and then let's see, Sunday didn't do any walking, was for like the first day in ages. But today I got out and I went on a walk. The last weird walk I went on, I found this. It's just a bike padlock, but as you see right here, it says hand. I learned that there's a way to like hack these things, and it involves like turning it and pulling it, turning it and pulling it. Well, wind doesn't work, but wine does. Well, yeah, that works. It's a bike trail, so you're gonna find stuff dropped all the time. Then I found something today, And you know, I'm legally blind, so I don't see so well. And then I saw this resting on like a thing. I'm like, oh, dude. I mean, it's kind of dark out. It's morning, early morning. I'm thinking like, somebody set like a live grenade somewhere? Nah, maybe. I don't know. I call like 911. What do they tell me? Well, look closer at it. What is it? I'm like, I think it's a dog poo bag holder. Are you sure it's not a dog poo bag holder? You really think it's a grenade? I'm like, I don't know. I'm hoping it's not. But why don't you pick it up and find out? I'm like, really? Well, yeah, you know, it's I'm like, screw it, okay. And I turn it over and there's a little dog poo bag thing. It's kind of neat, actually. Somebody must have just like left it there, but I don't have a dog anymore, so I don't really need the poo bags, but it's an odd little container thing. And there's poo bags in it, and a little zipper thing. Yeah. So now I have a bicycle padlock and a grenade-shaped dog poo bag holder, thanks to the wonderful folks that keep up the Burt Gilman Trail in lovely King County, near the city of Kenmore. So now you know. And I'm figuring I'm probably going to find a lot more of those bike locks than grenades, but it's kind of weird. I saw a bunch of other weird stuff too. God, what did I see? Saw a couple of homeless people passed out. It's really not that weird. That's becoming more common. That's just mainly sad. And then there was a bus stop where somebody the other day put like, I think there must have been the Gideons. They put a whole bunch of Bibles there. Today there was a lighter and a Bible, and that was it. Okay. What else did I see? Lots of chalk art done in a lot of Black Lives Matter chalk art, which was cool to see. Oh yeah, I saw these bumper stickers on things. Okay, first off, you guys know the Antifa, that thing they talk about with the terrorist group, blah blah blah. It doesn't exist, right? You guys really know that, right? There is no Antifa. Well, there's stickers that I saw, and they were on a electrical thing, and one was on a where you push the button, like a street crossing button, and it had what did it say? Anti-fascist action. It was like a little sticker. So maybe by making up this Antifa group, maybe, I don't know. But yeah, there's no Antifa. But there is Nutrageous. I'm really, really hardcore. I think they should term that a terrorist group, Nutrageous. They're the ones that make sure that the last peanut M&M in the bag is a bad one. Yeah. Oh, we got haircuts. Miles got a haircut like mine. Mimi got a haircut. What do you think? I enjoy it thoroughly. Doing all the walking. I mean, right now it's kind of crummy out. That's the thing too. It's like it went from being really nice, and now it's gonna be like all. It's like we keep having days. There's a chance of thunderstorms. That's what it said yesterday, but weather yesterday was really nice. But I don't know, I just couldn't get motivated. I guess it was all the beer and pizza the night before. But that's okay. I mean, on Saturday I did walk 22 miles. Yeah. I'm pretty jazzed about that. But yeah, it's like I needed a break. She needed a break because that was like the longest walk I think she's probably ever done. So it's good though. It's good getting out there doing and doing. And oh yeah, I opened the peanut sachet. Maybe I can scoot what I have left here into the pot. Well, appears there's a bunch of peanuts. So just imagine there's more peanuts in this than because the peanuts ended up on the floor. Here, let's look at that. Yeah. Oh, actually, here you can look at the floor. There's all the peanuts on the floor. Can you see that? Peanuts. It was a simple mistake. Anybody could make that mistake. I've been making a lot of weird errors lately when I've been doing my reviewing. Like, yeah, what was it, like Friday? No, Thursday. I didn't do it on Wednesday. I took a picture of the top down of one of them, but I didn't take the side shot. And then the next day, I took the side shot, but not the picture top down. Like, no, that's it. Hey, no more banging out there. I don't care for the banging. Yesterday, I ended up getting to go out to 99 Ranch and re-up on some veggies and stuff. Good times. You get the mung bean sprouts here in town. They're only good for 2 days. The ones I got at 99 Ranch is the 8th now. They're good till the 16th. So, pretty thrilled about that. Honestly, I am. Oh, yeah. I was going to show you the Bluetooth speakers we got. Figured out how to deal with our Bluetooth this year. Cheers. Yikes. It's burning. Wow. This may be the best. I really like burning dry noodle. I really like this one. I have to say this is probably my favorite ever Baijia product. The peanuts are good. Everything in it's good. Just gonna throw in some coriander and spring onion. Yeah, this is a good one. Impressed. And very good for 99 cents, I tell you that much. But usually it's probably like $3 or $4. I got a bunch of noodles there. I accidentally got one twice. So I gotta remember. I'll go and grab like this one here. It's like, it was a pork bone broth one. And then the one next to it said chicken broth. I'm like, oh, perfect. So I'll get a pork and a chicken. Well, I didn't look at the chicken. It was the wrong one in the chicken spot. It was another pork. So it's just like, irritant. And so I lost some of that. I've got some cashews that I think will probably go good. These are really good cashews, I gotta say. Salt and pepper. Emerald cashews. Just dump some of those on there. Yeah. I heard a thing. Whatever happened to that Dr. Fauci guy? You never hear much of from him anymore, do you? You also don't hear anything about the Paracel Islands, Spratly Islands, South China Sea stuff. But all of a sudden this weekend, I heard stuff about both the people and the thing. person kind of thing. And let's give this a try now. Early 2021 is when we're looking at a a vaccine. I really hope so. I'm ready for this whole crap to be done. That'd be nice. He was talking like some, of course then, there's an article saying, well, the idea that in the first day of January there's going to be millions of doses is just a pie in the sky idea. And it's like, he said early 2021. He didn't say the first freaking day of 2021. But, everybody's like, make it so, Captain Fauci. Which, I'm the same way. Everybody wants an exact date. Everybody wants something to look forward to, of course, but just know it is gonna happen. And the closer it gets to it, the more exact that date's gonna be. Wow, this is really good. We've got do some pepper flake. And I've got I already have some in it, but I figure some more can't hurt. Some sesame seeds. Beautiful. Beautiful. I really like this. This is one of those dishes that I just can't get enough of. Probably why there's like a bazillion companies making like tons of it. So, alright, here we go. Alright, cool. This has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Hey, yeah, have a good one. Bye.
The Mayonnaise Tower was unearthed in 1908 by renowned paleontologist Turd Ferguson, noted for its scent of cheese and a palace for the ancient mayonnaise kings. The tower has captured the minds and bowels of millions, most notably the chairman of the Antwerp charity Rambling Stoats Manevers.